Jai Hind everyone, how are you all? So today's video is of probability PYQs of NDA 1 2023. Okay, there are 8 questions asked in NDA 1 2023 of probability chapter. So we are going to solve those chapters. Okay, so let's see our first question. You can pause the video and solve by yourself, and you can also go to our Telegram channel and download this PDF, and answer key is also provided to you there only, right? So see this question. Let A and B be two independent events such that this what is the value of K? Okay, let me tell you that if A and B are independent events, okay, then A bar and B bar will also be independent, and A bar and B will also be independent, and A and B bar will also be independent events. Okay, that is our concept. So P A bar P B bar. Okay, so we can say that P A bar intersection P B bar equal to P A bar into P B bar. Okay, it means it is 0.7 into K, and we know that from De Morgan law that A intersection B is U minus A union B. So here we will have 1 minus P A union B, that will be equal to 0.7 into K. This value will be 1 minus 0.8, it is given, equal to 0.7 into K if we multiply with 10, or simply minus it 0.2. So you know your answer, that is C, 2 by 7. A biased coin with the probability of getting head equal to 1 by 4, probability of getting head, is tossed 5 times. Okay, what is the probability of getting tail in all the first 4 tosses followed by head? Means first tail, second tail, third tail, fourth tail, then head. When will this happen? And don't think that we will use binomial distribution here. We will not use that because it is saying a particular case. So we will solve it directly. See, tail, probability of getting head is 1 by 4. So probability of getting tail will be 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So first tail will be 3 by 4, second tail 3 by 4, third tail 3 by 4, fourth tail 3 by 4, and fifth head will be 1 by 4. So multiply each fraction, that will be 3 to the power 4, 4 to the power 5. It means 81 upon 10, 0, 2, 4. B option is right. A coin is biased so that head comes up thrice as likely as tails. Okay, means head will come 3 times out of 4 and tail will come 1 times out of 4. What is in 4 independent tosses of the coin, what is the probability of getting exactly 3? Now it is saying exactly 3, so we will use binomial distribution here. So exactly 3 means Px equal to 3, it will be n is 4 independent toss. So 4C3 our heads, so 3 by 4 to the power 3 and 1 by 4 to the power 4 minus 3, that is 1. 4C3 is 4 into 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64 into 1 upon 4. So we have 27 upon 64. B is the right answer, sir. Let x and b be two random variables such that x plus y. This x follows binomial distribution with parameters n, p. What is the variance of y? Okay, variance of y. X follows and this p this. So we can know the variance of x. Variance of x will be npq. N is 100 into p is 4 by 5 into q. 1 minus 4 by 5, 1 upon 5. 5, 25, 4 is 100. 4 into 4, that is 16. So variance of x is 16, but it is asking variance of y. So in statistics we know that the property of variance, that is variance does not depend on what? On change of origin. Okay, it only depends on change of scale, when scale is changed. Okay, if we multiply, if y is equal to 100x, then variance would be changed, but y is equal to here 100 minus x, so it is change of origin. So the variance of y and variance of x will be same, so the answer will be 16, right? One bag contains 3 white and 2 black balls. Interesting question this is. 3 white and 2 black balls. Okay. Another bag contains 2 white and 3 black balls. Okay. 2 balls are drawn from the first bag and put it into the second bag. Okay. Now we are putting 2 balls to the second bag. This is first bag, this is second bag. Okay. Into the second bag, and then a ball is drawn from the second bag. What is the probability that it is white? Okay, probability of drawing a white ball from this. Okay. Oh, it's interesting question. See, we have 3 cases. These 2 balls can be 2 white, okay, or 2 black, or 1 white, 1 black. So we will have 3 cases. Okay, the probability of drawing 2 white balls from first bag will be what? 3c2 upon 5c2, and 2 black balls, it will be 2c2 upon 5c2, and 1 white, 1 black, it will be 3c1 and 2c1 upon 5c2. Okay, so this will come 3c2 3 upon 10, this will be 1 upon 10, and then last will be 6 upon 10. Okay, so keep in mind these 3 things. If there are 2 white balls, then the case will be of 4 white balls, 3 black balls. So here we will have probability of 4 by 7 when 2 white balls are there. 2 white balls are carried to the second bag. So it will be 3 upon 10 into 4 upon 7. And if there are 2 black balls, then it will be 2 white and 3 plus 2, 5 black balls. So it will be 1 upon 10 into 2 white balls, so 2 upon 7. And third case will be of 1 white and 1 black, means 3 white and 4 black balls. Here we will have 6 upon 10 into 3 upon 7. So we need to add these 3. Okay, it would be 12 upon 70, it would be 20 upon 70, sorry, it would be 2 upon 70, and third one will be 18 upon 70. If we add the each fraction, then it will be 32 upon 70. Okay, it's our answer. Option. Okay, we have done our calculation right, so I think this 33 should be 32 upon 70. Okay, right answer is 32 upon 70. Okay, there is a mistake, I think. 3 dice are thrown. What is the probability that each face shows only multiple of 3? 3 dice are thrown. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Multiple of 3 in a dice are 3 and 6 only. So here we can have 3 or 6, 3 or 6, 3 or 6. Multiply, it will be 2 to the power 3. Okay, this is our number of events. Number of sample space. 3 dice are thrown means 6 into 6 into 6, that is 6 cube. We can write it as 2 cube into 3 cube. So probability will be NE upon NS, that is 2 cube upon 2 cube into 3 cube. 1 upon 3 cube, that is 1 upon 27. So C will be the right answer. What is the probability that the month of December has 5 Sundays? Okay, month of December, it has 31 days. Okay, where 4 weeks are fixed means 28 days means 4 weeks, 4 Sundays, plus we have 3 days. Okay, in these 3 days there can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, there can be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and there can be Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so Sunday comes in 3 places, so it would be 3 upon 7, right? A natural number n is chosen from the first 50 natural numbers. What is the probability that this satisfy holds? This inequality holds. Okay, so n belongs to the set of first 50 natural numbers. So let's put n equal to 1. It will be 1 plus, what's happening? Okay, it will be, if we put 1, then 1 plus 50 upon 1, it would be 51. So it is not less than 50. Okay, so 1 is not an element. 2 plus 50 upon 2, that is 25. So it is 25, which is less than 50. So it holds. If we do 3 plus 50 upon 3, it will also hold. Okay, now go to 50. If we take 50, then 50 plus 50 upon 50, it is 51. It is not less than 50, so it does not hold. Okay, if we take 49 plus 50 upon 49, it will be 50 point something, so it will not be less than 50. Okay, so 49 is also not there. 48 plus 50 upon 48, it will be 48, and this will be 1 point something, so it will be 49 point something, which is less than 50, and 47 will also come there. So 1, 50 and 49, these 3 values will not be in our events. Okay, so that's why we have 47 out of 50. B is the right answer. Okay, now we have done our PYQs of NDA 1 2023. Okay, keep studying, keep working hard. Jai Hind all.